Guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will learn three useful commands in AutoCAD. First of all, we will use overkill. As we see now, here we have multiple lines. So just select all, instead of just select and delete them. We will use another command. First of all, select all, then overkill. Press OK now. As we see, our lines are clean. So this command is very useful. OK. Second command is select similar. Instead of selecting this and this and this, no. We are going to select only one, press right to click. Then we must go before select similar. As we see now, we have all the same objects selected. Third command we are going to use now is called calc. Instead of writing for example 5, then go to calculator. We have other options called calc. Press right layer and go to QUICKCALC. So press layer QUICKCALC. Okay, now let's write for example 5. By to press enter, so now it's 10. So just press apply. And as you see now, it's not mentioned, but if we press enter, it's already 10. You see here it's done. So these three useful comments will help you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.